Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nollars network token. Ticker symbol is Nola, N-O-L-A. Now this token is live for pre-sale on their webpage, Nollars.com. We're going to go over the information on this token and talk about how you can get the pre-sale in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Nollars.com is the web page. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here so you guys can easily find this project. Nollars, they call it the Solana killer. So Nollars combines Ethereum security with layer 2 scalability governed by the community through the Nollars DAO. Nollars is a DeFi project that integrates with the same secure layer 1 of Ethereum and scales with the layer 2. Nollars DAO will open the door for Nollars to offer its customers instant access, low fee transactions, and 100% transparent community-driven governance. Nollars is an all-in-one, secure, future-proof, decentralized infrastructure supporting cross-chain interoperability, app development, and meme coin trading. The Nollars team will handle the deployment of the L2 solution and token. Following the project's launch, full governance will be handed over to the Nollars DAO, which will help decide the future of the project. Nollars is the only project of its kind because it boasts several brilliant features. Number 1, the Nollars token, a native ERC20 token on the Ethereum Layer 1, which will move to our more scalable and cheaper Layer 2 solution with a cross bridge. We also work on an in-house developed Layer 2 solution that runs through Nollars Layer, leveraging roll-up technology to bring fast and cheap transactions. First of all, Nollars DAO is simply a token holding DAO. This kind of structure conservation tally protocol where every decision regarding the consensus concerning development and governance is reserved to its founder, who will be abandoned as soon as the essential former elements are realized about the project. And then the Nollars DAO will handle and manage all of the treasury management for the project and take full responsibility in preserving the long-term, healthy, and sustainable ecosystem. And we'll get to the ecosystem in a second here. Now, if you want to get this token, they've raised $126,437 so far. There's a countdown. Basically, right now it says 4 days, 49 minutes, 28 seconds until the next price increase. It says 1 Nola token equals basically 50 cents right now. They've already sold 252,874 tokens, and the goal is 400,000, and so they're more than halfway there. And you could buy the token with crypto, or you could buy it with a card, it says. So you could buy the token with USDT or Ethereum with a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet. So first of all, you could download a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. You would then fund your wallet with ETH. Now, you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH. You'd go over to the webpage, Nollars.com, put buy with crypto, connect your wallet, punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how many Nola tokens you get for that amount. Click purchase. When the pre-sale is over, you'll be able to claim your tokens. Now, their ecosystem, it says an ERC20 token, layer 1, transitioning to L2 for scalability and governance. The token will be used for governance participation, development funding, and liquidity. The token will be migrated to L2 as Nollars transitions to the new tech so that users can benefit from the faster and cheaper transactions. It will also act as the governance token, allowing them to vote on important decisions. Nollars L2 uses roll-up technology to enable faster and cheaper transactions. Powered by roll-up tech, optimistic rollups, and ZK rollups, Nollars L2 is capable of processing thousands of transactions per second at only a small fraction, greatly suited for large volume use cases such as meme coin trading, decentralized exchanges, and dApps. The bridge will enable users to move assets from L1 to L2 and the other way around in a safe manner. Users enjoy the speed of L2, but the bridge keeps security of L1 intact. Now, Nollars DAO enables token holders to govern the project and manage the treasury with critical ecosystems decisions. Now, the Tally protocol enables all token holders to vote on proposals, propose changes, and make decisions regarding the treasury. After the launch of the token and L2 solution, the Nollars will give up the project to their community. Now, the tokenomics here, how it is split up. 53.33% of the tokens go to the pre-sale, and this is going to be in 10 rounds, gradually increasing in price. 26.67% of the tokens goes to the Nollars DAO, includes ecosystem development, partnerships, treasury for the project growth and sustainability. 10.4% of the tokens go to the central exchange wallet, needed for central exchange token liquidity. And we got 9.6% going to the liquidity pool, and it says there will be a listing rate of 83 cents per token. So as I mentioned, right now, the token price is around 50 cents, so you do get it at a discount before the listing time. If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Nollars Network. That is the community chat Telegram. And I'm going to put their Twitter up also in the corner of the screen over here, and that one is at Nollars Network. Real easy to find that as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.